you know. So it's good. My granddaughter diagnosed it
Here.
when she was like 7.
Excuse me?
My granddaughter diagnosed it.
You want to see the crack?
Right? Yep. I'm saying. Okay. How did you know that?
Because they all crack in the same area.
Okay, but you never took it off.
I don't
It was
know
not.
where
It was not removed
Couldn't
from
find
the
that.
vehicle.
I didn't
So,
see the paperwork.
so therefore, they just charge a whole bunch of hours.
This, all you have to do is take the cat off to see it.
No, nothing was removed. Okay.
There's a crack right here.
My mechanic said it was not removed. All right, because now we have the new one on, and it seems a little bizarre today that would not be taken off. He's got a bill like I don't know how much for all this work. Sat here for like 8 days, and
It's diagnostic, sir. Nothing was done without an authorization.
it was not taken off.
Nobody's saying that. What we're saying to you is we had to lower the exhaust in order to inspect it. We didn't take anything apart, but like my foreman said to you, in order for me to do any type of work, like anybody else in business, we need an authorization. Roberto didn't do any work to this vehicle without...
We had an authorization for diagnosis.
Yeah, and that's... what we
However,
did.
how do you do a diagnosis without taking it apart?
Sir, you, first of all...
You have, I know you have diagnostic codes. You can plug it in and everything. The little code didn't come up and say it's got a crack. Did it say that?
Allow me to explain it, please. So basically, we have to spend time on a test drive. We have to spend time on coding. We have to spend time on troubleshooting each fault on the vehicle, okay? Then you have to lower an exhaust system in order to inspect this. He's not going to take a guess that something is damaged without being damaged, you know? And so when this young man gets on the phone and speaks to the customer, he asks for an authorization. My technician got paid 6 hours. He charged the gentleman, I'm not sure if, are you the owner of the vehicle, sir?
Yes, I am.
Okay, he charged him 5 hours, so he discounted the job already heavily.
So what did he take apart? Did he say what he took apart?
Again, so our job is not to take everything apart. Our
What
job
is-
is to diagnose the car.
No. There's no way 5 hours was spent on this vehicle and nothing was taken
Okay,
apart.
all right, so if
There's no way that is done.
course there is.
I'm a car collector.
Yeah.
Okay, I got like 10 cars. I know how long it takes to take things apart.
Yeah.
Okay, I had to replace the same unit on a 2-liter Audi Avant Turbo, little 4-cylinder one. The same unit, same kind of unit. You know, about 2 years ago.
Yeah.
So I get the whole unit. Boom, it's like $1,200 bucks.
respect
Yeah, we slap it on there. Okay, it's no big deal. Everything was fine.
Yeah, nothing was done here.
I was
without
able to get the part
authorization.
right down here in Pro Stock.
Yeah.
Okay, they get me stuff wholesale. I know the owner. Okay, I get these parts. Of course, this part is like impossible to get. This might be this could be a Russian ZIL for all I care. This is like the most ridiculous. I would never buy an Acura after this. This is ridiculous.
I'm
You can't
sorry
get
about
parts.
that, but
No,
again-
but I wouldn't want one anyway. But seriously, this was overcharged.
Again, it's your opinion.
No, it's not my opinion. Well, we'll have
Of course it
somebody else have to make this opinion for us.
is. Okay, I have
Okay?
no problem with
Because
that,
this
sir.
is- this,
Everything we did here in this dealership, we do with an approval, so nobody's doing anything that we don't.
His total bills for diagnosis came to like how much were the total bills? About
$1,200.
$1,200.
Sir, that's not true.
And then we had
That's not true.
well between the first bill. Where's that
There's
one?
a different invoice. There's different work being
And
done.
that didn't do anything, and they just drove out with it, and it's still bad. And that didn't fix it. They repaired a few things.
What is your phone number, please?
201-647-1725.
Robbie, right?
Yes.
Got it. It's just not gonna- it's good.
This turbo's in a horrible location
No,
to even inspect all the vacuum lines.
sure. Yeah, I mean, they're always in a horrible situation. I mean, my Audi was in a rough place.
No, not all.
You know, I mean, we had it done in no time. But
This one?
no, when I did the Audi,
Yeah, the
My
Audi's
Audi.
right on top.
yeah.
This one is buried.
You
You can't even see it.
No, I don't
So
know.
to inspect all this stuff, I mean, things need to come apart. Intercooler, intake piping. Because we've had mice
But
chew these hoses.
meanwhile, we just could have done a new turbo unit. The rest of the unit is okay. Just a new turbo unit, correct? Just Just this piece. Because we can just get a turbo. There are turbos available.
We don't. No, we don't get these separate. It comes as a unit, just
Well,
as you see it.
Yeah.
If you want to try an aftermarket brand, we have.
No, I already have a piece already. It's in the vehicle already. So I mean,
So we really, I don't know what you're talking about, so you really don't have the correct information. I did not charge this gentleman a cent to do the first diagnostic of the turbocharge. And the only thing the gentleman paid for last time was for the emission control light, and that was much far, it was $449, nothing like that. The last visit, he was quoted 6 hours, and he only charged him 5 hours, okay? I apologize, sir. We're really not that type of people that you think we are. We're very honest. We wouldn't do any. Listen, I've been in the business for a long time myself. I've worked with a lot of car collectors. We are honest shop. The gentleman is my foreman. He's eyes on everything. We didn't mismanage or anything.
okay, just excuse me 1 second. What did they quote you to fix it? Who called you up on the phone?
$7,000, right?
On the phone.
The
7,000.
The unit alone is almost 6,000.
Pardon?
The unit alone is almost 6,000, I believe. 50.
So we wouldn't do anything.
$6,000.
I mean,
6,000. I think everybody should know this about an Acura. Prior to buying it, $6,000 for one little piece. I have Porsches. I have 911s. I don't even pay that kind of stuff for pieces.
Sir, I have 33 years of BMW.
Oh, come on now.
experience, So I know.
Well,
what it's about.
BMWs are crap, you know, the plastic tubes and
I
everything.
understand.
Okay, listen.
Back to work.
All right, I appreciate it, and we'll be back in touch with you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. sir.
After we have to
Apologize.
speak to a higher authority.
Understood. I'm so sorry.
No, it's all right. You guys know your game. Thank you, appreciate it.
My pleasure, sir. Have a great day.